here, it's got everything right there. You got 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V. This is a 2004. We basically it's gonna run the Bluetooth right here, down here. We're gonna keep it right here. The previous person did it right there, but we're gonna do it right here. We'll kind of pull it down like this and run the wire through here, all the way down here, and kind of hitting in here. And then kind of pull it and go up here. You don't have to take this off. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. And you just go underneath there. And basically, we're gonna come and take the radio out. So radio removal. So there's 2 screws that you're gonna have to take out. Actually, someone took the screw out already. So basically, we're gonna have to pull this out. So he's gonna take it out. He's pretty new to this, but I'm gonna watch him. So basically you have to be careful not damage this thing right here. Let's go. Anything more. Kind of coming down here and kind of pull it a little bit if you can, instead of doing what he's doing. It's not so great. See, you can damage that part right there. So you gotta, when it come out like that, you don't have to do like that. You just grab this thing right here. Hold the video. Use your hand, it's easier. Kind of shake it around, but yes, you do have 2 screws down here. It's a Phillips. Hopefully did. See, you basically have to pull it around. You don't have to pry it. And then there's a clip right there. You just push this clip and pull it straight out. Move it back and forth. Keep it in one spot. There's no screw in this. Wow, that's crazy. So whoever did this previously, they're using all glue, hot glue right here. Hot glue doesn't last, guys, because when it gets hot, it's gonna melt. So pull it out right there. Got a backup camera. It's got a Bluetooth. We're gonna take that old one out. This is 1721 harness. Anything above 2002 is this model for Honda. Basically gonna pull this out to the USB and push this clip, and you should be able to pry it out using a flathead. I think whoever did it, it kind of crooked on this part right here. Yep. Alrighty, that's it. Kind of skipping through the Bluetooth, so I ran through here from there, and I slide it in first. The 3mm, slide in there first, right there, and push it down there until I be able to reach it through here, and then we're going to run it straight over there. There's 1 screw down here, and then 1 screw down here somewhere, right there to the left side right here. You can just pull that out. I'm gonna basically show you how to install. This is a Pioneer model version. It's the actually it's probably a 10-inch screen. So basically I'm installing, I'm gonna show you what color to what color. So basically same color, white to white, white black to white black. The only difference is the blue wire. So the blue and white wire from the radio, most radio is blue and white, you're gonna hook it up to blue right there. I did ran the bypass kit right here. I'm not gonna show you on that part, but the rest of them are color to color, and I did ran the dimmer light. So the yellow right there to the yellow, and everything just match it. But one with the stripe, make sure it goes one with the stripe. So it's green black, go to green black, and gray black, go to gray black, and so on. I did I'm installing the backup camera also. It's purple white, so purple white is gonna be right there. It's gonna hook up to the backup camera wire. And for the mounting bracket part, it's kind of a little bit confusing the way they're saying it right there. So basically you're gonna keep H and M. So I cut all of this except the M right there. As you can see M. I'm keeping this, and I believe I'm gonna keep the rest of them. So H is right here, so you don't have to cut any of these. It fit in perfectly. I don't have an issue trying to put it in. So now I'm gonna try to fit this Pioneer, the big screen right here. So in my case, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I'm gonna try to do my best, try to get this thing in. Maybe I need to move it out here a little bit. I am not exactly sure. I'm gonna try it up like this first right here, or maybe I can try one of these. But the problem is I might need something else to make it fit right. This is trial and error right there, so I'm gonna use the 1R right there that looks like that. I'm gonna put it in and see if this thing gonna go in, because it doesn't have a bracket. It's supposed to have a bracket right here or something. I'm not exactly sure this model Pioneer. So with this difficult Pioneer, I'm gonna put this beauty ring around here first, and then I'm gonna shove it from the back like so, and I'm gonna screw it. I'm gonna try to see if it fit. And the mounting bracket I'm using is this is a multi-kit. It's 997898 BB. So now I'm gonna start plugging the jacks and everything for the backup camera, and it's gonna be for the Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth mic. Bluetooth mic actually is gonna be right here, and then a USB gonna be here, and then GPS gonna be right here. And I'm not exactly sure what that is, but there's a bunch of stuff that I'm seeing some of it I'm missing from the box, so I'm just gonna go forward. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be shoving this thing back in there. It should clip. Hopefully it clipped good, because it had the clip right here to hold it. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna plug in all the wiring first, because if not it won't fit. I'm plugging the the mic. I'm gonna plug in the backup camera, video backup, rear view camera in. So right here, as we're doing this, we should tape this thing too, but we'll grab that in a second. Where is my crimper? Oh, I had a crimper earlier here. Right there. So, I'm gonna take this red. I should make a T-tab so it's a lot easier to do, but who's gonna pull it out unless it's going bad? So we're gonna crimp it permanently. Making sure there's no copper sticking out. It will short the radio. I'm gonna grab the blue remote. And I'm gonna tape it so that way it's not gonna come loose. Wire right there. So we're gonna try to do whatever we can to reach this in here the right way. Got the navigation's gonna be plugged in. The USB right here, and plug the USB first. Whatever the longer the better. Plugging that in. One plug. There's no amplifier, nothing to hook up, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Plug in the power. And then I'm gonna plug in I'm gonna shove everything in. It's gonna rough in there. Now I gotta plug in the antenna. It's a little bit short right here, but it'll be fine when it's go in. There we go. Make sure it's in there. Everything should be in place. Trying to shove it in, making sure there's nothing holding anything because once it flips, it's kind of hard to get it back. That right there, my friend, it's working perfectly. So let's turn it on. Right here, it's got everything right there. You got, it's got a bunch of different things right here. That's
what was the price tag? It was Jesus.
So basically, right here,
voluntarily spilled for you personally to buy you out of the slave.
Yep, it's a lot of setting here, guys. I'm not gonna show you everything, and previous owner probably put all this picture in there, so I'm not sure how everything working right there. But setting right here for Bluetooth and stuff. This has got Android, Apple CarPlay, such and such is on, so they're gonna need to delete all this thing. Whoever have a link or share how to use this, and you can share down here for me, I appreciate that. Thank you.